Wager number 4, Michael Musico. Number 17, Lamberto Mora Jr. Wearing jersey number 20, John Lawrence Abante. Number 30, Ronald John Bidon. And wearing jersey number 77, Edmond Ray Mora. Head coach of Barangay Masangisi, Sir Jeremy Montesa. Is certified Barangay Daihagan. Wearing jersey number 8, Aldo Panela. Number 5, Jericho Pahilakutan. Number 11, Jeffrey Castillo. Wearing jersey number 17, Ron Vincent Papligas. And jersey number 19, Kenneth Magararu. Paalala lang po sa bawat maglalaro, pagpasok po nakatakin ng tamunan. Seconds to shoot. Seconds to shoot. 10. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 5. Pahilakutan. Ball out of bounds, ball possession, Barangay Daihagan. Seconds to shoot. Seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul number 11, Jeffrey Castillo, illegal contact to the head, his first personal foul. First team foul, Barangay Daihagan. 2 Brinos. Number 30, RJ Bidon from 15 to 3. Michelle score. Seconds to shoot. 18 seconds to shoot. 18 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot.
Okay.
10.
Okay.
19 seconds to shoot. 19 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Ball out of bounds sa possession barangay Massabi City.
Yun! Nice! Sayang. Isang atake na ito. Atake na ito.
14 seconds to shoot. Ball outside for possession barangay Massabi City.
Nice one!
Number 30, RJ Bidon Patry. 14 seconds to shoot. Ball out of bounds. Massabi City on the possession.
Nice one. Okay. Ano? Kaya mo? Nice one.
10 seconds to shoot.
Sayang.
Probably violation, hitting the ball, ball possession barangay Massabi City. Substitution, Abante out. Pabrikas, number 27, Magtuba, and number 20, Acosta in 5 minutes. Substitution number 19, Kenneth Magararo out, number 15, Kakote. Seconds to shoot.
Sayang. Okay. Tira.
10.
Yes.
For by number 77, Mora. Seconds to shoot. For by number 11, Jeffrey Castillo. Seconds to shoot.
Rebound. nga.
3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Alas 12, bukas yung alas 12 ay.
Yun ho. Yo. Okay. Ini pa. Ay. Ay nako. Ayan.
14 seconds to shoot.
Tingnan nyo! Hindi yan! Yo! Yo! Ay! Tayo! Oh! Wala! Ay!
15 seconds into the timeout.
Atakan?
Substitution pointed Kusiko out at number 12, Abante. Substitution number 30, RJ Piton out. Number 19, Verias.
Sininang, gusto kay Dinang.
Probably violation. Fourteen seconds to shoot.
Ay, Juan! Wala! Hindi pa rin! Ay!
Number 77, Edmond Ray Mora. 14 seconds to shoot. 10. Jose Alto Ranera. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Fourteen seconds.
Yan yun!
14 seconds to shoot.
Okay! Ay, Juan!
Number 12, Abante. Fourteen seconds to shoot.
Rebound! 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 Let's go! Ay! Wala.
Foul. Number 28, pushing foul is first personal foul, second team foul. Substitution, Morang out. Number 14, Manao. Two Rios, number 27, Mantuba. 48 seconds remaining for the first.
Wala!
Supported by number 27.
Nantihan eh. Hindi talaga mapay.
45 seconds. Seconds to shoot.
Away! Rebound!
10 seconds to shoot.
Rebound nyo! Oh! Rebound! Ay!
19 seconds. 19 seconds. 15 seconds.